Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, divide your hairs into 4 parts and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now take all parts and then tie it nicely by crossing it all together as it will look like this, and then start braiding the remaining hairs as shown in the video, and then braid both the hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the hair clip as shown, and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs and then divide your hairs into 2 sections. Now pull it inside out nicely from both the sides and then take the remaining hairs, tie it nicely and again pull it inside out as shown in the video. Cover your hairs nicely and then it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hairs, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now divide your hairs into 2 sections with the help of the elastic, and then first pull it inside out from the middle and then pull it inside out from wholly as it will look like this. Now take another section of your hair and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and repeat the exact same process we have done earlier. Now again repeat the process and it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the section and divide your hairs into 2 sections and pull it inside out the first one and fix it properly with the help of the hair clip. It's done. For this one, tie your hairs nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now pull the hairs out of the section as shown in the video. Now repeat the process with the remaining hairs 3 times and then take the remaining hairs and braid it nicely and make a bun out of it, and it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take the section of it and then divide the section into 2 parts and roll it very nicely and gently till the end and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will look like this. Now take another section from the hair and then tie it nicely as shown in the video and tie it with the help of the elastic. It will look like this. Now make so many out of it and make it into a bun and attach it with the help of the hair clip. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now divide the remaining hairs into 2 parts and then pull it inside out. Now take the smaller section from the remaining hair and then braid it nicely until it will start looking like this. Now tie it nicely and then attach it on the top with the help of a hair clip, and it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and then divide your hairs into 2 sections and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then take the small string of a hair and then braid it nicely as shown in the video. Now bring it all together and tie it nicely with the help of an elastic and then fix it properly as shown in the video, and then it's all done. It's cute, right? Thanks for watching.